Hey everybody. So I am going to do, I think, a quick unboxing and then maybe a review in this video of a package that I just got. And I can't find the scissors that I usually use for the life of me. Excuse all of this mess. My life is a very big mess right now. And I bought something to kind of say, hey Tyler, reward yourself a little bit because you're overstressing yourself. So I did. I'm not showing you the outside box because that has the label on it. However, you can see I got Beats Solo 3 Wireless in the color Product Red. I am excited for this. If you saw my Whisper Challenge video with Becky, which I will try and remember to link down below, she has a pair of, I believe, Solo 2s, and they are very comfortable. So I found these on Amazon, retail for $300. You can get them on sale even from Apple for like $240. Got these for even cheaper than that. I got mine for about half price than the retail. So just took off the plastic. So here we have. So on the front it just says Beats Solo 3 Wireless, 40 hours of battery life, which is amazing, and special edition Product Red. For those of you who don't know, Product Red is, I think it's a charity, and products with that are usually associated with donations. So I don't know what percentage, but a percentage of the sale goes towards HIV and AIDS research and prevention. So just seeing if there's anything else. So it just has a color code. It says people aren't hearing all the music, Dr. Dre. On the back it says wireless Bluetooth battery up to 40 hours, fast charge, so in 5 minutes you can have 3 hours worth of battery. Battery fuel gauge, so it's like light indicators to show how much. Built-in wireless microphone, and control music and manage calls. So let's take a look. So there we have the Beats logo and some product information, which I'm not really going to read into too much. Ooh. There's so much packaging. Change the way you hear sound. It smells like paper. And I have this little ribbon that I'm going to flip up to reveal, whoops, that fell out actually, to reveal this pouch. I think it's this that smells. And then, oh, it looks empty, but no, there's a little ribbon. No, it's not a ribbon. It's a cardboard flat. Take that little insert out. And this is what we're presented with. Oh, okay, so we'll go with that first. So in here, let's see if we, nope, already tore it. Oops. So let's see, we just have some literature in here, quick start guide, Beats sticker, safety information, all that fun jazz. Stuff that I'm not gonna really look at. Let's see, here we have a micro USB to USB cable, standard, which supports the fast charge. This is the cable that you can plug into your Beats. This side would go to the Beats, this would be to your phone if you are out of battery, or if you want to connect something that doesn't have Bluetooth but does have a 3.5mm jack. And last in the box is a carabiner. It is Beats branded, and that just goes on here. I'm just going to attach that like so. So now let's get to the big event. Let's try and find the zipper. Nice. I like the zipper sound. Ooh. I like it. So here they are. So this side, no. This side is the one with the button. This side, this Beats logo is a button. This side is plus. This side is minus for volume control. Let's see. This says charge me up for wireless mode. It's blinking and it says it has 5, so it must be fully done. Where's my? I was just asking where my phone was. I'm recording with my phone. I'm an idiot. So see, I heard that if you just click this in for 2 seconds, it should. Maybe I turned them off. I think maybe because I'm filming a video, it might be different. Let me just try these on. Let me show you what these look like on, and I might have to film with my iPad. Like connecting to it. Let's see. So this, let me just show you what it looks like on. So this is what they look like on. And so I saw these in the store, and then they just collapse like this. I saw these in the Apple store before, and I remember really liking this color because it's kind of like, to me, it has almost like an orangey undertone to it, and I really like that. And then I saw right here, it says product red, and I'm like, that's not red though. I would say it's like it has undertones of orange to it, and I like that. There were other red headphones that I was looking at that I didn't like. Like they have like their studios in red, and I don't like that color red. I love this color red. So I'm gonna go maybe hook this up and talk some more about it. We'll see.
Hello everyone. I am back. It's the future, and I have had these for maybe a week now, and I just wanted to talk about how I've been using them. So let me sit down somewhere. I'm just wearing this because I couldn't find any light shirts to wear around the house, so this is what I'm dealing with. Here we go. So I just filmed a video. I was doing a online field trip. On some websites. So it was similar to when I did the Coach website one, and a subscriber commented and they really enjoyed the video and wanted some more. So I read all of your comments, and if you have video ideas that are appealing to me and are attainable, I will try my hardest to get them done. And I really enjoyed it too, just because I like shopping online a lot anyway, just looking. And so yeah, so I got that done, and I used these as my microphone because they have a built-in microphone, and the quality seems pretty good. So let's see, since the unboxing, so I set it up, it was very easily. It has a W1 chip in it, and I can go from my phone to my laptop to my iPad. I just have to go into Bluetooth and just tap it. It's real quick. I think there's an easier way to do it, but I need to check into that. But I love it. I took it to school a couple of times. I don't want to take it every day just because they're not. I mean, they're a little bit delicate. I pack a very heavy tote, and I just don't want it to get crushed. I took a shower, and so my hair is like kind of floppy, and I let it dry with this on it, so it's gonna act really weird. But I'm gonna take a shower tomorrow morning anyway. But yeah, so I've been very much enjoying these Beats. These are the Solo 3 wireless again, and yeah, I've been like jamming out, and the battery I've only had to charge it once, and it charges very quickly, and it lasts for a while. I don't know what percentage I'm on right now because you're on my phone and that's how I check it, but I've only had to charge it once, and I use it a lot. I should have definitely invested in these earlier. Oh, I might leave a link down where I got these on Amazon, because these at least last time I checked, was like basically half off, and other colors are a little bit more. It depends on the color variations and how popular they are. So I'll definitely link those down below. If you have any questions about these, comment down below and I will answer them either in the comments or make a follow-up video about them. I'm trying to think if there's any other information that I would like to provide. I found out how to use the case. So when you fold it up, you have to squeeze the ends. I could not get these in the case for the life of me, and then I realized that you can just squish them in a little bit and then they work perfectly. I was afraid that I was gonna break them. No, they're very flexible. Like I don't know if you can see that. So you don't have to worry about that. Oh no, my hair's even another level of crazy. Anyway, so I just wanted to add this to the butt of the video, just to let you know how I am enjoying these. So I should have definitely bought these a while ago. At first, they irritated my ear a little bit, and I was kind of freaking out because I just spent this money, but I get used to them. They're adjustable, and I think I found the configuration that works best for me. But whenever I fold it up, and then I have to readjust it every time I get out. I think you could probably do it without that, but I just like doing this for safe measures. So anyway, again, like, comment, subscribe if you feel so, whatever the word is. I don't know if you can tell, but my allergies are kicking my butt, and I'm trying to kick their butt, but they're winning. So anyway, thank you all for watching, and yeah, I'll see if I post this before or after the other video, but I want to try to get some more videos out during the summer because this is the time that I can actually film. So, see you.